make people have a smile on their face.
That's what I do for a living. I don't do anything else. I couldn't do anything else because it just wouldn't feel right, you know?
I wanna take it to anywhere. Maybe we can make a deal. Maybe together we can get some.
Don't be afraid to get out there, and if there's something that's on your mind that you love to do, let's get out there and just test the limits to see how, you know.
Where I'm from, I'm kind of like homeless, so I kind of really don't have a home. So you know, right now I live on the outskirts of Philadelphia, you know. So
Working at a convenience store. We managed to save just a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far.
Don't be afraid to get out there and just do you. You know, do you.
this is my number one ace guy right here. He makes me sound good, and he keeps telling me I make him sound good. So.
You've got a fast car, but is it fast enough so we can fly away? Gotta make a decision.